myself Raj Prakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Barabani block ECL Wanora West Bengal Colliery today under the banner of INTTUC was present against privatization. Kamlesh Pandey, Area Secretary Siripur, Bhola Hari Sindhu, Bunia Arman Khan, Ram Bilas Jog, Janardhan Goswami, Surosmay Mandal.
और उनको दिन रात हमारे बाराबंकी के विधायक माननीय विधान उपाध्याय ने दिन रात एक करके गरीबों के साथ गरीबों के बात में लगे रहे, उनको दुख दर्द में शामिल हर समय होते रहे और उनको भी अंत में कोरोना का शिकार होना पड़ा। कोरोना सुना के चले जाते हैं। अपने श्रमिकों को, अपने केडरों को, अपने नेता को खुले आदेश दिया कि आप जाइए, उनके घर में जाइए, उनके पास जाइए, उनके दुख दर्द को समझिए। ये लॉकडाउन का समय चल रहा है, ये कोरोना वायरस का समय चल रहा है। इस समय में मामूली मानुष की सरकार, गरीबों की सरकार, उनके पास में होने की जरूरत है, उनके साथ में होने की जरूरत है। आप आरएसएस की तरह, आप बीजेपी की तरह दिल्ली में बॉम्बे में रह करके राजनीति नहीं कर सकते हैं। हम लोग मट्टी से जुड़े।
ये भानौड़ा कोयलरी वेस्ट ब्लॉक आने वाले समय में किस तरह का, किस प्रकार का और किस ढंग का रवैया अपनाएगा ताकि प्रबंधन के द्वारा एक ऐसे सामूहिक निर्णय पर हम लोग पहुंच सकें जहां पर इस कोयलरी के उत्पादन को बढ़ाया जाए।
Sankodia in Mahesh Nadi Raipara of Nitoria Police Station area police health center was set up by Nitoria Police Station on Friday from the industry of district police. Women showed good attendance in the program. According to the information, the police is trying to bring various kind of social awareness in the rural area. It is understood that this will improve police public relation as well as establish cooperation in rural social uplift. The villagers present during the program were made aware about COVID-19. This was not matter of panic but of need to be careful. Among the precautions to be taken are to wear masks, to avoid going to crowd places and to maintain social physical distance. Even if you have to go such places, advice was given not to have child marriage and to avoid it, and also informed about traffic rule was given. During this, the problem of the people were listened to by the police and they will assure to try to solve it as soon as possible. Purulia October 9 MLA Sapan Kumar Balteria and BDO Sudesh De Matra jointly cut the lash and inaugurated the construction work of the Foundary Road from Manipur to Subhasnagar of Kasipur block of Purulia district as per the wishes of the villager under the Path Shri Yojana of the state government. Sunil Gorai, head of the local Gram Panchayat and others were present on the occasion. During the program, MLA Sapan Kumar Bulgaria said that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is doing a great job, has started the construction of a total of 12,000 km of road in the state under the state government Path Shri Yojana. As per part of that, today we also started road construction. He said that construction of road would greatly benefit the villager. At the same time, various sources of income will also be available due to routes. Sankodia in backward caste dominated village of Santuri Detailed dialogue is being propagated loudly. Teams formed with backward caste teachers and special person are going to the village and carrying out the task of documenting the innocence of people. In this regard, Raghunathpur MLA Purana Chandra Bauri said that the party went to the backward caste majority village and met the backward caste people and whether the are getting the benefit of pension old age window pension scheme or not or finding out if they are getting the benefit of other government schemes so that no backward class person can be deprived of this facility. At the same time, corona has no other influence in this four or crisis. All these are being recorded. The MLA assured that the problem would be resolved soon. Pandeshwar Jitendra Kumar Tiwari, MLA of Pandeshwar Assembly and Mayor of Asansol Municipal Corporation, inaugurated the road construction under the Pathsri Yojana in Puri Jambad of Bhaula Gram Panchayat of Pandeshwar Assembly. Consequently, by cutting the ribbon and breaking coconut with him. On this occasion, Pandeshwar Block Development Officer Kausik Samdar, Panchayat Samiti Chairman Mandan Bauri, Jila Parishad Member Jyoti Kumar Galwa also present.
যে সূচি চলেছে বাংলা জুড়ে তারই অঙ্গ হিসেবে আমরা রয়েছি পাণ্ডবেশ্বর পঞ্চায়েত সমিতি তথা সমষ্টি উন্নয়ন আধিকারিকের ব্যবস্থাপনায়।
A meeting was held in OK Road RCH Hospital, Asansol North with Congress plus CPIM. Today at Chirkut House, Dhanbad, the first step, Mr. Anita Agrawal, Principal of a Special Children's School, met Honorable Mrs. Joba Manji, Minister for Women and Child Development, Welfare and Social Security, Government of Jharkhand, and present her a banquet of flower in Dhanbad, the coal capital of country. Welcome and studying in his school. Today, the vegetable shops are closed. The vegetable market in Asansol are closed. Swearing on COVID-friendly proper behavior in Asansol Mandal, Asansol, October 8, 2020. Mr. Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol, along with the officer and staff of Asansol Division, took oath regarding COVID-friendly proper behavior, which was spread by the Honorable Minister of Railway through video conferencing in New Delhi, to maintain the national-wide COVID campaign by taking the necessary precaution to prevent.
हम एक साथ मिलकर कोविड-19 के खिलाफ इस लड़ाई को जीतेंगे। जय हिंद। Now in English, I, Sumit Sarkar, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risks to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Thank you.